Hi, this video demonstrates how to find the value of a particular term in the Fibonacci sequence. And you know that in Fibonacci sequence, a particular term is the sum of its preceding two terms. On the screen, there are three ways to provide the user input, like you can specify which location value you want. So I am going for user input. Here I am specifying I want to know the value at the fifth location. After entering the fifth location, click the user input. On the screen, the left hand side is a Python code for finding the fifth location value. Followed by you have an output area where a graph is drawn and it shows the procedure of how the program is executing. And you can control the drawing of the image using different button at the right hand side. The top button will show the complete process. If you want to know how this diagram is drawing stepwise manner, you can click this forward or backward button. This dot indicating the beginning of the process, and it's saying that if you want to know the fifth location value, you should find the previous two terms, that is fourth location and third location. And we are going the left side of this graph first, then we are coming to the right side. Okay. So if you want to know the fourth location value, you should know the value at the third and second location. If you want to know the value at the third location, you should know the value at the second and first term. If you want to know the second location value, you should know the value at the first and the zeroth term. So in this program, we are fixing the zeroth location value as 0 and first location value as 1. So now the program is reached at the end. So there is no further breakdown. So the program will return from here. This stage will returning 1 as the value, and this one, the value at the zeroth is 0. So your f of 2 now will become 1. So this value will be returned to previous state here, and f of 1 is returning value 1. So now the value at the third location is 2. So it is know that the value at the location 3 is 2. And what is the value at the location 2? So that we can find from here. So it is again breakdown to 2 state and 1 and 0 states. So 1 is returning 1 and 0 is returning 0. So as a result, f of 2 will calculate the term as 1 plus 0, that is 1. So f of 2 is returning 1. So now the value at the location 4 is 2 plus 3, that is 3. So this value is returned by the state 4 to 5, and 5 should know the value at the 3. In order to find the value at the location 3, again we have to do the same operation like in the left hand side. So the value is calculated here and it is returned, and f of 2 is returning that in the location third location the value is 2. So this value is returned to the fifth stage. So now these two numbers 3 and 2 is added and it is showing this as the output. So in this Fibonacci sequence, the value at the location 5 is also 5. And after showing this output, the program gets terminated. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.